You ever catch that vibe where a younger woman is clearly into you, but she's not spelling it out? Yeah, they don't usually come straight out and say it. They toss out little breadcrumbs, some super subtle, others pretty obvious, just to see if you're paying attention. So here are 8 things younger women actually say when they're quietly shooting their shot with an older guy, plus the real translation of what she really means. Number 1. I just love how mature you are. She's not talking about your 401k contributions, man. What she's really saying is, you've got this calm, steady energy that guys my age just don't have yet. She's drawn to your experience, the way you carry yourself, the fact you've actually lived. She's into you and hoping you pick up the signal. Number 2. Maybe you could teach me a thing or two. That's not innocent curiosity, that's an engraved invitation. She's blending compliments with flirtation and handing you the perfect excuse to spend more time together. Mentor and student. Sure, but we both know whatever lesson she's imagining goes way beyond the original topic. Number 3. I feel so safe around you. This one goes straight to the heart. When she says she feels safe, she's telling you that your presence alone makes the noise in her world go quiet. She feels protected, grounded, seen. That sense of security is gold to a lot of younger women, and she's letting you know you're the one giving it to her. Green light doesn't get much clearer. Number 4. You're not like most guys my age. You're on a completely different level. She's clocked the confidence, the manners, the way you don't play little games. She's comparing, and you're winning by a landslide. Number 5. I can't believe I'm single when all the good ones are taken. Oh, she's casting a line. This isn't random venting, it's a neon sign that says I'm available, while sneaking in a compliment aimed right at you. She's testing the waters to see if you'll bite, maybe even toss back something flirty like, sounds like we're both having the same problem. Number 6. What would your younger self think of us hanging out? Smooth as hell. She's teasing, but she's also painting a picture of the two of you together. She's making the age difference feel playful instead of heavy, and your reaction will tell her everything she wants to know. Number 7. Age is just a number, right? Classic move, massive hint. She's brushing the age gap aside before you can even bring it up. She's saying, I don't care, so you shouldn't either. Doors wide open. She's just waiting to see if you'll step through. Number 8. I've always been attracted to older guys. Boom. There's the confession. No more guessing games. She just laid her cards on the table and told you exactly where her type starts and ends. That's not a subtle hint anymore. That's the front door swinging open. Ever had a younger woman hit you with one of these lines? Tell me your story down in the comments. I actually read every single one. And if you want the real psychology behind why so many younger women are drawn to older men, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We're diving into that next. See you there.